If you are looking for a business credit card that does not use your personal credit, I've got one for you today. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Thank you for watching, and make sure that you are subscribed, especially if you'd like to learn more about personal and business credit with funding strategies to help you get the funding you deserve. Now, my whole motto is if you knew better, you would do better. And that's why I wanted to bring you one of the fastest growing business credit trade lines out right now. And this is one of the fastest growing platforms for a few different reasons. Not only because they have a business credit card, but they also will give you access to your business credit scores inside of their application, which is nice because that can give you an overview of what you need to work on and where you should be putting your focus. Now, if I were a business owner, I would most definitely sign up for FairFigure, but also leverage the tools that they give you as a small business owner or even a large business owner. You'll get access to view your Dun & Bradstreet, your Equifax, and your credit safe information. Now, here's the cool thing about the FairFigure. They're actually going to report your business credit card as a trade line to Experian Business, SBFE, Equifax Business, and credit safe. So the reason why I really like them is because number one, there's no personal credit required. This is EIN only using your company's employer identification number, which is better known as your business's social security number. All right. Now, does this credit card is it a credit card or a charge card? And it's really a unique type of situation because this is a card that is based off of your revenue. It's built as a debit card, but it actually helps you build business credit because here's the next thing that I want to get to. Who do they report to? And FairFigure is going to actually report your data to Experian Business, Equifax Commercial, Credit Safe, and SBFE. You'll notice Dun & Bradstreet is not listed, so they do not report to Dun & Bradstreet at this time, but things are always evolving. So that's why I say get in now, because in all honesty, you really want to focus on Experian Business and the SBFE. If you are a business owner, it's really hard to get solid trade lines that are going to report to both, and FairFigure is actually one of them. So the way that they work and when you apply is they're going to use Plaid to connect to your bank account to determine what your credit limit is going to be. You'll put your business spend on your FairFigure account. You'll use essentially your business checking account to pay back that card, and your terms will be determined based on, all of the information that they run. And that's again why it's important to have really solid business credit, because you want those payment experiences reported so other vendors and lenders feel confident lending to you, and essentially your business can stand on its own 2 feet, especially if you have challenged personal credit. Now, I'll be the first one to tell you, you need to fix your credit. We need to work on that. You can book a call with me. I can get you on the right path, but you definitely need to be working on a plan to help fix and better your personal credit. But at the same time, there still are options out there that are more or less revenue-based funding and credit building tools that can help you build up your business credit foundation, so that way you can actually apply for business funding and get approved. And with the more or less, funding on the business side, more or less you're going to need a personal guarantee for most funding products, okay? With banks and financial institutions, they really need a personal guarantor for most products unless you qualify for corporate credit. And corporate credit is a whole nother level. Places like McDonald's, obviously they do millions in revenue. They have no problem sharing their documents, their tax returns, their financial statements, and they have established business credit and their foundation. So obviously they would qualify for corporate credit. But when you're talking about small business owners that revenue is generally less than $4 million per year, if you fall into that small business owner bracket like most of us do, then this would be a great corporate card to help you start building that business credit. I recommend keeping it for as long as possible, minimum 6 to 12 months, so that way you can start establishing those payment experiences. Make sure you are never ever late on the business side. That's one of the most important things because there is no cushion on the business side. So make sure you pay everything about a week prior to the due date, okay? And here's the big question. How much is it going to cost me? And that is a wonderful question. There is a free account. There's also an account that is $35 per month. And it's well worth the investment because you're going to get access to, right here, it tells you Dun & Bradstreet and Equifax reports and scores, so you can stay on top of that. And you're also going to get that business credit trade line reported to the business credit bureaus, SBFE, Experian Business, Equifax Business, and Credit Safe. And honestly, Experian Business is probably the top used business bureau by banks and real lending institutions. So if I were you, I would really focus on Experian Business. SBFE is also a top contender, and then Dun & Bradstreet's up there. It really just depends on the bank. Everyone is a little bit different, but I have noticed that the bigger financial institutions really lean towards Experian Business. So if I were you, I would definitely recommend investing in the FairFigure Premium, which is $35 a month, and it has all of these benefits included. But number one is sign up. Right? That's the first step because it is very easy to get sidetracked and forget about things and go and, life happens, right? I know, I get it. I have a 6-year-old. It's super busy, right? But you want to apply. Step one is applying. Now, if you comment the word fair, I will send you a link that will help support my channel and at no additional cost to you. I will also send you my free guide. Comment the word guide. I'll send you my free lender's guide that has FairFigure plus many, many more that you can start using to build up your business credit. Okay. I recommend verifying with each vendor exactly who they report to and if there is a minimum that they need to report this to the business bureaus because things are always changing and sometimes places have a minimum order purchase in order to report that business credit trade line experience to the business bureaus that they report to. And that can change as well too. So just make sure to reach out to them and verify it because I will give you the blueprint. It's up to you to take action and make sure that you are checking all the boxes off, right? There's a few different things that you just need to be mindful of when they do approve you. It's going to be revenue based. So they're going to connect to your bank account using Plaid, and that will determine your credit limit. Once you start using the card, that's when they report to the bureaus. Make sure you don't ever get a late payment. That's really important with business credit. There's no grace period. You do not want a late payment reported on the business side. In fact, schedule your payments for a week earlier than what they are due, okay? If possible, set it up on auto pay for the minimum. And in these type of cases, a lot of the corporate cards are net 30 accounts. So you can kind of think of them like you have a 30-day window or whatever net term you are approved for. That can vary as well because some people have a little bit more of established credit on the business side and others don't. So it really depends, but go through the application process. They'll tell you exactly what you're approved for, what those terms look like for you. And that way you can start building business credit as soon as tomorrow. Again, guys, my name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed. Share this video with a business owner so they can take advantage of FairFigure business credit to help them not only start building business credit, but have a solid business credit card that you can make your purchases with and build business credit at the same time. I'll see you next time. Take care.